4 chords. It uses an E major, C sharp minor, G sharp, and an A chord. The E chord is open E, second finger, second fret A string, third finger, second fret D string, first finger, first fret G, open B, open E. The strumming pattern is so it's down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. So that was the E chord with the strumming pattern. The next chord is C sharp minor. First finger, 4th fret A string, third finger, 6th fret D string, pinky, 6th fret on the G, middle finger, 5th fret B string. So far we have the E chord and the C sharp minor. Next, you just move this shape over like this. So it's similar to the C sharp minor, but for the G sharp, we just take this whole shape and we move it over so that you have the first finger on the 4th fret of the E, third finger, 6th fret A, pinky, 6th fret D, middle finger, 5th fret G. Then you just take this shape and you go up a half step to the 5th fret. So it's the same shape, and then so far we have this. So again, you go from the E to the C sharp minor to the G sharp, and then you just take the G sharp and you move it up a half step to the A chord. And there's a part in the song where there's a B. But before we get to the B, there is a chord thing that happens where he goes. So it goes down, up, down, up, down, up, down. E to the C sharp minor, to the G sharp, to the A. So you do the A like this. Go to the G sharp, and then you go back to the A. And it does that a few times, and then eventually there's that part where it goes to the B chord. When the B chord happens, it's like the A, it's like the G sharp, the A, same chord, except this one is on 7, 9, 9, 8, like this. Now the riff that happens in the beginning and throughout the whole song is like this. It's better to just bar the 4th fret of the B and E string like this, and then keep your middle finger down on the 5th fret of the B string, And with a pick or with your fingers, you can just pluck the B string and then the E string. So it goes. And we do that for a whole measure. We go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then you lift the middle finger so that now you're just holding down the 4th fret of the B and E string. So then it'll sound like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, and that's only for 2 beats. So when you get to the 4th, when you get to this part, you count to 2. 1 and 2 and 3. On beat 3, we play this again. So far we have now here the rhythm changes a little bit. We go. So I have a pull off here. So the pull off section goes like this. So it's 5th fret, 5th fret again, pull off to the 4th fret. We're on the B string. So we go. Then it does it again. And here's how it sounds with the chords again, one more time. And that is the tutorial for Where Is My Mind by the Pixies. You learned the chords and the melodic riff that happens throughout the song. If you would like a lesson for the short guitar solo that happens in this song, please feel free to let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.